Let's dive right into exactly how you can boost your 2026 digital SAT score using free PDFs. So many students stall out practicing the wrong way. Well, we're fixing your whole strategy today. You literally can't just review concepts. You absolutely need real, full-length practice tests with answer explanations. Let's check out your battlefield. For the 2026 digital SAT format, you gotta know these crucial numbers. It's 2 hours and 14 minutes long. Honestly, that requires some serious mental stamina and laser focus. Whether you want a 1200 or a perfect 1600, practicing under strict, real exam conditions is everything. Okay, pop quiz. Look at this actual math sample right here. Do you know the answer? Yep, it's 6. The math section throws 44 questions at you, covering everything from algebra to data analysis. Moving to reading and writing, which word do you think best replaces groundbreaking here? Innovative. You're going to face 54 questions just like this in 64 minutes, testing grammar, vocabulary, and reasoning. Crazy enough, for a digital test, printing offline PDFs is actually perfect for building distraction-free stamina. To really use them effectively, simulate the exam, aggressively review mistakes, track your progress, and hit weaknesses. Pro tip, mix timed and untimed practice. You really want to complete at least 6 to 8 full tests. Check out this 4-week roadmap. It's designed to build pacing, crush weak areas, and master the format. Consistency is the real game changer here. Official College Board PDFs plus disciplined review equals massive score bumps. Need more reps? Supplement your full-length tests with this free 1,000-question targeted practice workbook. So, are you ready to simulate your first 2026 digital SAT and start tracking that score improvement?